80% of all Toyotas sold in the last 20 years are still on the road today. Reliability, only better.
He stretches and he pitches. It's driven deep to right field. That ball's tagged. It's way back, and it is out of here for a 2-run home run for Nate Spears.
And talking with John Brandon, and obviously the key is to maintain education as Bowker turns on a pitch, hits it out of the yard. Goodbye, John Bowker. He continues to do some yard work for the Indians, and he cuts the deficit in half as Bowker connects on his 5th home run of the season, and the Indians now trail 2-1. It's in a 1-run game. Here's the offering, broken bat, fly ball, left field, a base hit. Luna will score. Delugic comes around. He scores from second base. The Paw Sox plate 2 on a flare to shallow left, and they now lead 4-1.